Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Logitech mouse instant fix step by step clearly. First, ensure that your Logitech mouse is charged or has fresh batteries installed. Next, locate the USB receiver that came with the mouse. Plug the USB receiver into an available USB port on your computer. If using a Bluetooth Logitech mouse, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Press the power button on your mouse to turn it on. Look for a small LED light on the mouse that indicates it's powered on. For wireless mice, press the connect button, usually located on the bottom of the mouse. Wait for your computer to detect the mouse. A notification may appear on your screen indicating that a new device has been found. If you're prompted, confirm the connection by following the on-screen instructions. Once connected, test the mouse by moving it or clicking the buttons. If the mouse does not work, try reconnecting the USB receiver or restarting your computer. For Bluetooth mice, you may need to go to your computer's Bluetooth settings to pair the device manually. Look for Logitech mouse in the list of available devices. Click on it to complete the pairing process. After successful pairing, your Logitech mouse should be fully functional. If you encounter any issues, consult the user manual for additional troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.